Just go for it. Yeah. I'd say go for it. Don't doubt yourself.
I'd just say that you're missing out if you think that you can't do it.
It is a really good program. I definitely have learned so much.
As long as you have a problem-solving mindset and critical thinking as well, then you'll get really far.
Even if you had limited IT knowledge, by the end of it, I feel like you'd be skilled enough to go for any kind of entry-level cyber job.
If you constantly think that I have something to learn because there's so many great people around me, then you're going to do better than everyone else.
One baby step at a time on cybersecurity will lead you to your next role or your next successful gig in this industry and space.